Hi, I'm John, and I work in IT at West Tennessee Healthcare.
I am Caleb, and I work in laundry as a laundry tech at West Tennessee Healthcare.
I'm Tyson, and I'm a patient transporter at West Tennessee Healthcare.
I'm Debbie Vaughn, a clinical nurse educator at West Tennessee Healthcare.
My job is to make sure the technology we rely on is running smoothly, so our care teams can focus on what matters most, taking care of patients.
Every day, I help make sure linens, supplies are clean, ready, and available when they are needed. That supports our care teams and helps create a safe, comfortable environment for patients.
This job is more than just about moving patients. It is about making sure they feel safe, respected, and cared for during their experience.
One of the best parts of my job is watching our nurses grow. I get to see them come in learning, asking questions, and then turn into confident, compassionate caregivers.
I take pride in knowing that even behind the scenes, the work we do helps support both our patients and our care teams every day.
It is all about doing your part and being able to support the team however you can. Every role matters.
You never know what someone is going through. Even the smallest interaction can make a difference.
Hospital Week is a chance to recognize the people who make this kind of care possible.
I'm proud to be a part of West Tennessee Healthcare.
And I am proud to be a part of the West Tennessee Healthcare.
I take pride in being a positive part of the care experience at West Tennessee Healthcare.
I am proud to be part of this team.